The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hello everyone. Today our showers have been pretty light, but in the next couple of hours, even though we still have them, islands between now and when the sun rises on Saturday, but even that is pretty light. It's not going to cause major flooding in isolated spots. As we go through Saturday morning, showers stay pretty isolated. Again, mostly concentrated in the highlands, so the rain totals are going to be higher there than what we see further towards the south, but we'll get more scattered showers by 4 p.m. Now from there on, we are looking at some heavy rain developing. We could get some flashes of lightning as well and little breezes. The severe potential is well off towards our west, so we're not really looking at storms coming through, but enough of the heavy rain and lightning to notice it through Saturday evening. Staying inside is probably a good option, or if you are driving, try not to make it a really long trip and then just hang out until this passes. After 7 p.m., there's not a whole lot of rain left over. Some along the North Carolina border around 8, 9 o'clock, but then by midnight we dry out. We stay pretty dry going into Sunday. Sunday itself has clouds, but showers are pretty hard to come by, especially in the afternoon as some of those clouds build up. Now, we could get some showers traveling through the NRV in the western side of the Roanoke zone as we get into that 4 to 8 p.m. range on Sunday, but a lot of it is going to stay pretty dry. So if you want to spend some time outside, it is looking pretty nice. Most of the rain that we have coming down is coming on Saturday itself. That's going to bring particularly eastern half of the Roanoke zone towards Bedford. So Smith Mountain Lake might get over an inch of rain, and then over half an inch in Roanoke, Lexington, and Lynchburg and South Boston. Lighter accumulations as you get further and further towards the west, most just at 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 inches. Our winds largely stay calm through Saturday, but in the afternoon, as those lines kind of form, we start to get the heavier rain and some lightning. That's when we can get a breeze. Gusts there will be up towards 20 miles per hour. So in the grand scheme of summertime stormy breezes, this is particularly on the low end. That's why the severe threat is so low in particular. On Saturday, despite the clouds that we have, we're still able to get pretty close to 80 with Highlands at 79, Roanoke at 82, and Lynchburg up towards 83. On Sunday, our temperatures are going to be pretty close to 80, just a little bit cooler. Roanoke's at 80, Highlands is at 77, and Lynchburg's at 81. There's a cold front that approaches from our west that mostly leaves Sunday alone, but Monday it's going to bring moisture in, cause some showers, and even some storminess in the afternoon. After that, we stay dry pretty consistently. There's a cold front towards our north that tries to bring some cooler air, but doesn't really reach us. So our temperatures are rather consistent in the days ahead, staying pretty close to average all the way through Friday, and it looks like through the middle of the month we'll be close to average with a little bit extra rain. Overnight, temperatures are going to fall down into the 60s, Roanoke at 64, Bedford at 64. And then on Saturday, we're able to warm into the 80s again, with Roanoke at 82. On the extended forecast, temperatures only really take a dip on Monday. That's the cloudiest day that we have ahead, and that's the one where the cold front comes through. That's going to bring a lot of clouds in the morning, which prevent us from warming up. But we bounce back pretty quickly. We're right around 80 through the rest of the week.